In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. The whole process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're using Google Chrome as your web browser. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the Grammarly for Chrome page. This is where you can install the Grammarly extension that will help enhance your writing experience in Google Docs by providing suggestions and corrections as you type. Once you're on the Grammarly for Chrome page, look for the option that says Add to Chrome. Click on it. A small window will pop up asking for confirmation. Here, you'll need to click on Add Extension. What you're doing here is installing Grammarly as an extension to your Chrome browser, which is what allows it to integrate smoothly with your Google Docs. After adding the extension, you might be prompted to sign into your Grammarly account if you're not already logged in. If you have an account, just go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't, it's quick and simple to create one. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Having a Grammarly account is essential, as it allows you to access all the features the tool offers, whether you are using the free version or the premium one. Now let's get Grammarly set up in Google Docs. Open Google Docs in your Chrome browser. Once you have a document open, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see a small green circle icon. This is the Grammarly icon. Its presence here means that Grammarly is now active and ready to assist you as you type. To make sure Grammarly is functioning, click on the green icon. This action will enable Grammarly suggestions, which means it will start to analyze your text in real time, providing helpful hints and corrections to improve your writing. As you type, Grammarly will underline any potential errors or areas for improvement and offer suggestions, helping you polish your work effortlessly. And there you have it. Setting up Grammarly in Google Docs is quick and easy. Keeping Grammarly handy while composing your documents ensures your text is well written and professional. It's a fantastic tool for catching those pesky spelling and grammar mistakes, providing you with the peace of mind that your work is clear and error-free. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to integrate Grammarly into your Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like and share it with someone who might benefit from it too. Happy writing, and see you next time.